Here I have DOOGEE X55, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the security options, and then go to the fingerprint. Tap on continue. Then you have to choose your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. Let's choose for example PIN. Then enter your PIN, confirm it, and next you have to choose if you want to see any notifications on the lock screen. I don't want to see any notifications at all. Done. And next what you have to do is to find your fingerprint scanner, which is located right here, and you have to tap it with your finger like this. Tap it several times. And that's it, fingerprint aided. And now you can unlock your phone with your fingerprint, just like this. Let's try another one time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.